In this video, I will show you how to easily set site favicon and even rotate through multiple icons. So search this plugin favicon rotator, install, then activate. After activation, hover cursor to appearance, then click on favicon. Add icon, add media files from your computer or media library. If you have already, add browser icon, another one. So now we have these two one. You can add more than one. Touch icon, you can set any touch icon. Then click on Save Changes. Now visit your website. Refresh this one. So as we can see now, favicon is rotate. So very easy to use and popular plugin to rotate favicon in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.